Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this 1500 watt patio heater. Okay guys, so this is it. Now that we are done, we got it placed on here so you can see the bracket, all that fun stuff. So you can adjust it by tilting this. You can make it loose and then adjust it. You can adjust this piece, you can lift this piece up higher, and to turn it on, we just press down on this, we pull the little lever. So that's number 1, number 2, and then number 3 heat mode, and then off. And you guys can see your number right there. It rapid heats very quickly. So you got rapid heating. Basically you got instant heat, I would say. But yeah, overall, it's nice if you guys are having a party or something on your patio, your deck. Yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. Gets very hot.